And so what are we doing today?
We are going to strike it rich. We're surveying for oil and, oh no, that's not what we're doing. Okay, we're going to check on some caches and see how they fared since the Thomas fires.
Perfect.
Okay.
At the Punchbowls, which is a nice little swimming area.
Yes, if the sun comes out, we're going to go swimming.
All right.
All right.
Come join us.
Call me Grace.
Very good. One of our first finds. What is this, ShareBear?
It's not a cache.
It's Canot. Got a new little trail to go up. They've got it marked. So that's the way we go. Pretty little area, great little rock face back here.
Yeah.
What are you thinking?
It's just beautiful. It's just been a lovely day. Not too hot. Not a lot of caches, but
Down here at that waterfall. That's where we're heading. So here we are, what do you think?
it was worth it. There's no place for your feet.
Nice little campground here, and now there's a geocache.
Spoiler alert!
There was a spore under a bush. We lift up this rock and found a quarter and a dime and ash. So we're going to replace it. This is flat resting rock. Tell us what happened.
Resting rock. So the hint was really good, and it zeroed out terrific, and Scott found it right away, and it was really, really hard to get open. We had to use a rock and pound on it, and then when we opened it, there was a wooden coin, some coins, but then the band-aids were kind of showed signs of heat, and then look at the lid, has gotten scorched on the inside and cracked, and then the log paper is fine. You can even see ITV Guy and QB and RC Ken the last time they came, but it's been melted. So it got hot enough inside there to melt the plastic, but not ruin anything. Pretty
All right.
cool.
Last one was bushed.
It was bushed, and I look at it, didn't melt, it didn't do anything. This tree survived the fire.
And so did the geocache.
So did the geocache. Oh, this is a horrible bush though.
All right. So I'm not sure how many miles we went. Probably 6 so far. We got
Wow, good for us.
a little bit of a climb out, but that's it. What happened today?
It was a great hike, a little bit challenging. Wonderful destination.
I think you got 5 or 6 geocaches
I
for the
did.
day.
I did.
Perfect.